walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. If that's what it takes to make me smile, I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up.
Hi Needs, so sorry we can't be there on your special day, but I hope this cheers you up. I'm sure Manjeet Auntie, Tan, my lovely young lady Ivana, and Superpower Ruvi, and all your amazing friends out there are going to make it extra special for you. And we will definitely celebrate all our milestones once again in style whenever we are together. So here's taking all of life's turns together, irrespective of the times. We love you so, so, so much. So welcome to 40, my baby girl. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Nede. God bless
Dad, we
you.
should get some diamond for Mom. It's Mom's birthday.
Okay, Ruby.
We need to make sure he lives up to his promise.
Because you're my favorite person. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nidhi. You've been God's gift to me. And if anybody asks me what qualities should a good daughter-in-law have, I would say all that Nidhi has. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nidhi. You're the best thing that's happened in my life. One, and two is you normally do this and organize videos and whatnot. So this is a lot of pressure on us to actually deliver this. But happy birthday. Love you loads. Pre-COVID, post-COVID, love you loads. Happy birthday.
Hi Mom, it's your 40th birthday and it's a milestone. You're not just my mother, you're my best friend as well. Thank you for giving me every opportunity in my life. I love you.
Happy birthday. Happy 40th.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Nidhi, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nidhi. Wish you all the best. Have fun.
Hi Nidhi, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Have many
Hi Nidhi, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Nidhi, have a blast. 40 years. Would have loved to see you in Hyderabad, but enjoy yourself and have a great one.
Hi Nidhi, happy 40th birthday. Have a great day and a great year ahead.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nidhi. Happy birthday to you. Happy 40th.
Happy
Happy birthday, pretty woman. You're finally at 40. Welcome to the club. I hope you have a wonderful day and year ahead. Cheers.
Hi Nidhi, wishing you a wonderful 40th birthday. You've done great wonders in your first 40 years. Wishing you another 40 years of a wonderful life, followed by another 40 and another 40. God bless, have a good day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Nidhi, congrats on your 40th birthday. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Stay happy and blessed. And don't forget to send a piece of your cake.
Hi Nidhi Buji, wish you a very happy 50th birthday, 40th birthday. Just kidding, I know you're 40. Have a very, very good one in Australia and I hope to see you very soon. I'm actually dying to come for the Australian Open, but your country is not allowing us Indians, so don't know what to do yet. Hopefully I should come next year. And always remember, you're the favorite one. How much ever Preeti Buji and Rupam Buji try to be my favorite, you're always going to be number one. Love you lots. Take care.
Hi Nidhi, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Hi Nids, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neds. Happy birthday, Nidhi Bua. Hey, Neds, it was just the other day when you were a school-going girl with Dharanya, and now your 40th birthday. Have a great one. Wish you were here, we would have celebrated together.
Hi Nidhi, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Welcome to the 40s Club. Enjoy your day.
Hi Nidhi, wish you a very very happy birthday. Have an awesome day and year ahead.
God bless you. Have a wonderful time. Cheers.
Cheers.
We don't know whether we should be happy or sad because it's your 40th birthday and we're not there with you.
If you were here, I would have bought a car full of hot balloons like old times.
Happy 40th birthday, Nidhi.
With you, age is just a number, and anyway, you're the youngest of the lot. So have an amazing day and happy birthday!
Love
we
you.
love you, miss you.
Happy 40th birthday.
Have lots of fun.
Eat party food.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Hi Niduma. Wish you a very very happy 40th birthday. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
Wow, Masi turned 40. Masi, I remember our childhood days wherein we spent together. I think those were the most memorable days that you and I spent together, and I really miss those days, Masi. I really wished if you were here, we would have just been the same the way we were back then. Well, I hope you have a very wonderful 40th birthday, which brings you love, happiness, and success all your life. Miss you, love you, take care, Masi. Mwah. Hoping to see you soon.
Hi Nidhi, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Oops, I meant 21st birthday. Enjoy, be blessed, be healthy, and come to India soon. Be blessed.
Birthday Nidhi Mami, enjoy your day, have a great year ahead. You're turning 40, very old number.
Happy birthday Nidhi. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Love you. Coco also saying happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Has entertained both my children when they were small. Hi Nidhi, wishing you a blessed 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Nidhi Masi.
Hi Nidhi, welcome to the 40s Club.
Happy birthday, Nidhi Bua. Hey Nidhi, still remember you as a tiny tot running around us and trying to play with the older cousins. Happy birthday, happy 40th, and we'll always remember you as Niduma, like how Auntie used to call you. Alright, take care and God bless. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nidhi. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Nidhi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Very happy birthday, Nidhi. I wanted to speak 40 things about you, but I think this video cannot say what I feel for you. The friendship we've shared. I miss you, Nidhi. Though we don't talk much, but I'm always there for you. Love you, Nidhi. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday.
Wish you a very happy 40th birthday, Nidhi. You are the only friend whom I know Sunaina as a Sunaina school childhood friend. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have a great day and a very, very long life ahead. Thanks a lot.
Hi Nidhi,
Hi Nidhi, happy birthday.
happy 40th birthday. Have a wonderful day and a great year ahead.
God bless. Love you.
Love you Nidhi. Bye, take care.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Nidhi.
Happy birthday Nidhi. God bless you.
Enjoy your special day. Lots of love from all of us. Bye.
Bye.
wishing you a very, very, very happy 40th birthday. I just can't believe that this little sister of mine, who according to me hopped across the bed when she was 2 months old, has already turned 40. Our childhood memories are so pleasant. Right from our corn throwing competition to our banana peel throwing competitions, our discussions on who is going to go into Bulaki Kashmiri to buy the bread, our slipper story, our dancing in the rain, insisting that Papa takes us on that upar niche wala slope so that we feel ticklish in our stomach, and not to forget our last tips and bye. Right from there till now, it's been such an amazing journey, and I'm so proud of what you have grown into, Nidhi, of who you are now. You are such a beautiful person inside out, an amazing person who always tries to strive for the best, and there is so much of passion, dedication and hard work that you put into everything, and I'm sure Mom, Dad are proud of you too. I really love and adore you as a little sister. I could not have asked for anyone better than you. And on this special milestone birthday of yours, I really miss you and hope we could be together there to celebrate. But you enjoy your day, and the 41st birthday we will pakka be together.
Nidhi Masi, you don't look like my Masi, you look like my sister. Happy 40th birthday and have a great day.
And Nidhi, Jeej and Aman to wish you a very, very happy 40th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday Nidhi Masi, hope you're doing well. It's been a long time since we've met, and I hope we meet you soon. Have a great year ahead.
Hey Needs, wishing you a fantabulous 40th birthday. There's a saying, family isn't always about blood. It's about the people who you want in your life and the ones who are in your life. It's those who accept for what you are and will do anything to make you smile, feel loved and happy. And you are on the side of the law, so you're dangerously sweet, cute, energized, always. That's how I've always seen you, and wishing you more power on this special birthday.
Hey my little sister, on your big day, if wishes could come true, I so wish we were together. We played together, we fought, we made up, and we made the happiest memories ever. The three of us have been through so much together. The laughs, the tears, the pain that never goes away, and of course the smiles. Wish you keep smiling, because I hope you know your smile means the world to me.